So first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a fresh instance of WordPress. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and set that up. If you need instructions how to set up WordPress, I'll include them in the comments. Okay, so once we've got this fresh install, we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload the theme and activate it. So you're going to go to Appearance, you're going to Add New, and you're going to upload the theme that you can find in the comments. So find that on your system. So it will be a zip file. You're going to upload the zip file, click Install Now, click Activate. Okay, and then now we're going to install the different plugins. So we're going to go down to Plugins, and we're going to install 4 plugins. They'll be in the comments as well. First one's Elementor. Search for it. Elementor Page Builder. Install. And activate. You might want to take a couple of minutes just to find out about Elementor. This is the page builder that this theme uses. But once you're happy with Elementor, we're going to install another plugin. It's called Contact Form 7. And we're going to install Contact Form Submissions. Install and activate. And finally, Contact Form Elementor. Let's see what it's called again. I'm just finding the name, bear with me. Right, so it's CF7 widget Elementor. This is called Contact Form 7 widget for Elementor Page Builder. We install that, we activate it. So we should have these 4 plugins installed and activated, and then now we're going to import the content. So we go to Tools, Import. I'm going to install the WordPress option. I'm going to run the importer, and you're going to import this file, the XML, upload and import, and you want to assign the posts to your user, download and import file attachments, and then we're going to change the home page. We're going to go to Settings, we're going to go to Reading, we're going to select Static Page, and select that as the landing page, and click Save. And there we go. That's a very simple way to get this landing page set up. You can go to the home page and you can click Edit, or click Edit with Elementor either. And then here you get access to the page builder feature. So this is where you'll come in and you can delete the content and change it, change styles, change colors, You can click back here twice, and you can actually go ahead and add new elements in. Do whatever you like, and once you're ready, click update. So I'm just going to keep it the same for now. And this is just a really simple form. The person comes, they click register, they put in their details, so, they'll click submit, they get taken to this thank you page, which you can also edit with Elementor. But anytime someone submits or inquires on the form, you'll be able to find them in this admin panel. Switch between the two here, go to the admin panel, go to contact, go to submissions, and there we go. Look, this is the one I've just submitted a minute ago. Click on, it's got the name, Bob, email. So there you go, that's how you can get the person's details when they leave them. This is all for now. If you find this helpful, or if you need free help installing this or need some free hosting, I can help with that. Just reach out. Thanks.